look at Rosie. She's trying to open up her stocking.
No, I'm going to clean up right now. I got you and Sharon. I know.
Rosie, you trying to get in there? You trying to get in your stocking?
All right.
Are you trying? Oh, look, Taryn. She wants to get in the stocking. Here. Mama, dump them out for you. Rosie, look. Look. Get your stocking. Look. There's your toys. There's your toys.
Put it under the tree.
Look at the toys, Rose. Rosie got toys.
How are you doing? Oh, cookie squirrel. Oh, Rose. What are you doing? Rosie.
Rosie looks like she likes her toys. Oh, Tim, look at this. Look at this. She's getting this one. She likes this little pillow.
I get stuck on her nail. Oh, that's definitely going to make her good enough.
Oh boy, Rosie.
You got 22 little toys.
Now go up there and say, give Sharon a kiss. Rosie, give Sharon a kiss. Give Sharon a kiss. No,
Rosie.
she's interested in her toys.
Rose, look at me. Come on, give me a kiss.
Give Sharon a kiss. Good girl. Good girl.
Sharon. Oh, she didn't try the star chaser.
Alright, well, we'll open that later.
Sharon.